Compact crossovers are affordable and, therefore, usually come with compromises, but not if it comes from Subaru. The Crosstrek has always been one of the most complete models in the class, and now the next year's model is about to elevate even more, with upgrades under the hood, cutting-edge tech features, and further design improvements. Stay with us and find out 8 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek is a genius move. Number 8. Game-changing hybrid performance. The 2026 Crosstrek's new hybrid powertrain solves the biggest complaint about current models: lackluster acceleration. Subaru has completely redesigned their approach to hybridization, creating a system that delivers more power while significantly boosting efficiency. At its heart is Subaru's Boxer engine modified to run on the Atkinson cycle, producing around 162 horsepower on its own. This third attempt at hybridizing the Crosstrek shows Subaru has finally cracked the code after previous generations fell short of expectations. What makes this hybrid special is the electric motor integration. With an additional 118 horsepower and impressive 200 pound-feet of torque from the electric side, total system output jumps to 215 horsepower. That's a substantial increase over current powertrains, translating to quicker acceleration and more confident passing power. The beauty of this system lies in how the electric motor fills in the power gaps where the Boxer engine traditionally lacks torque, creating a smoother and more responsive driving experience in everyday conditions. Unlike many competitors that sacrifice capability for efficiency, Subaru has maintained their legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system in the hybrid. The instant torque from the electric motor actually improves low-speed off-road control, making the hybrid version potentially more capable in challenging terrain. This approach stands in stark contrast to rivals who often fit electric motors to the rear axle without a mechanical connection. Subaru's commitment to genuine all-wheel drive sets the 2026 Crosstrek apart, even in hybrid form. The entire hybrid system has been engineered to enhance the Crosstrek experience rather than compromise it. The small battery pack is efficiently packaged to maintain ground clearance and cargo space, while the electric components have been weather-sealed and ruggedized to handle the same challenging conditions Subaru owners expect to tackle. Even the regenerative braking system has been calibrated to provide a consistent feel, whether you're on pavement or gravel, eliminating the awkward transition between regenerative and friction braking that plagues many hybrids. Number 7. Class-leading fuel economy. Early projections suggest the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid will deliver around 40 miles per gallon combined, a massive leap from the current model's 29 miles per gallon. With the Crosstrek's generous fuel tank, this translates to over 650 miles of range on a single fill-up. That's game-changing for weekend adventures and daily commutes alike. This efficiency comes without compromises. The battery pack is strategically positioned to maintain the Crosstrek's impressive ground clearance and cargo volume. Unlike previous hybrid attempts from Subaru that felt like afterthoughts, this system was designed from the ground up to enhance the Crosstrek experience, not detract from it. For those concerned about long-term costs, the fuel savings alone make waiting worthwhile. Even with just a 10 miles per gallon improvement, drivers covering 15,000 miles annually could save hundreds at the pump each year, savings that add up significantly over the lifetime of the vehicle. Number 6. Uncompromised off-road capability. The 2026 Crosstrek pushes Subaru's off-road credentials even further with the most trail-ready standard package in the model's history. Despite standing tall with nearly 9 inches of ground clearance, the new Crosstrek delivers surprisingly engaging on-road dynamics thanks to Subaru's Boxer engine design and completely retuned suspension. The X-Mode system gets a major overhaul with more sophisticated terrain recognition that automatically adjusts traction control, throttle response, and transmission behavior based on conditions. Previously limited to just 2 modes, the 2026 system introduces specialized settings for snow, mud, sand, and rocks, taking the guesswork out of off-road driving. A standout addition is the new Trail View camera system, providing multiple viewing angles including a forward-facing trail view that shows exactly where your tires will go, invaluable when navigating technical terrain. This system works alongside an upgraded hill descent control that maintains a consistent, controlled speed on steep descents. For those seeking maximum capability, the Wilderness trim takes things further, with all-terrain tires, additional skid plates, and a suspension lift that boosts ground clearance to 9.3 inches. This variant also features reinforced roof rails with a static load capacity of 700 pounds, perfect for rooftop tents. Number 5. Next-generation safety features. Subaru's eyesight system has always been among the industry's best, but the 2026 Crosstrek takes it to new heights. The upgraded system uses cameras with a wider field of view and higher resolution, plus the addition of radar sensors for more accurate detection in adverse conditions. This hardware upgrade enables features like enhanced adaptive cruise control that works seamlessly in stop-and-go traffic, and improved emergency braking that can detect pedestrians and cyclists more reliably, even at night. Lane centering gets a major improvement too, with smoother operation and better performance on winding roads. Perhaps most impressive is the introduction of Subaru's first limited hands-free driving system for highway use. Similar to systems like Ford's Blue Cruise or GM's Super Cruise, but with Subaru's characteristic focus on safety, this feature could drastically reduce driver fatigue on long journeys. Number 4. Enhanced driving dynamics. What separates the Crosstrek from typical crossovers is how it drives, and the 2026 model elevates this experience significantly. Subaru engineers have completely reworked the suspension geometry and incorporated advanced damper technology that adapts to different surfaces and driving situations. The steering system has been refined to provide more feedback when needed during spirited driving or off-road maneuvers, while filtering out unwanted vibrations during highway cruising. Even the brake system has been redesigned for better feel and performance, with improved heat management for consistent stopping power. Most impressive is how these improvements come without compromise. The 2026 model is simultaneously more comfortable on highways, more capable on trails, and more confident in adverse weather. The enhanced all-wheel drive system features a faster responding center differential that can send power to the wheels with traction almost instantaneously. Number 3. Aggressive design evolution. The 2026 Crosstrek brings a bolder, more confident design language that pushes its rugged identity to new heights. While the current model blends into the crossover crowd, the upcoming redesign makes a much stronger visual statement, with more angular lines and a more commanding presence. Up front, narrower LED headlights flank a more prominent hexagonal grille, creating a modern face that stands out in traffic. The redesigned front bumper doesn't just look better. Larger, more functional air intakes improve cooling efficiency, while better integrated fog light housings enhance both appearance and visibility. Along the sides, more pronounced wheel arches and stronger character lines emphasize the Crosstrek's all-terrain readiness, while the rear features a more upright tailgate design that increases cargo space without sacrificing the compact footprint. New C-shaped taillights connected by a light bar create a premium and distinctly Subaru identity that's recognizable day or night. This design evolution isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing functionality. Redesigned roof rails can handle heavier loads. Revised wheel arches accommodate larger tires without rubbing. And the slightly taller stance improves approach and departure angles for better off-road capability. Number 2. Tech-forward interior. This isn't the Subaru interior you're used to. The dashboard has been completely reimagined with a dual-screen setup that brings the Crosstrek firmly into the modern era. A large, landscape-oriented central touchscreen handles infotainment duties, while a fully digital instrument cluster replaces traditional gauges. This tech upgrade doesn't come at the expense of Subaru's practical DNA. Physical controls remain for critical functions, and the cabin still prioritizes visibility with an expansive greenhouse. The new interior actually improves on the current generation's already generous passenger space, with early reports suggesting an additional inch of rear legroom. Thoughtful details make a big difference. USB-C ports are positioned in all the right places. Adventure-oriented trims feature washable seat materials that can handle mud and water, and configurable cargo systems make the most of available space. Subaru hasn't just created a prettier interior, they've created a more functional one. Number 1. Long-term value proposition. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek represents the most complete version of this popular compact crossover ever produced. It addresses virtually every criticism of previous models while enhancing the core strengths that made the Crosstrek a success. While competitors are creating increasingly homogenized crossovers, Subaru has doubled down on the Crosstrek's unique character. The 2026 model year represents Subaru at its most confident, creating a vehicle that stands apart rather than blending in. With substantial substantial improvements in efficiency, technology, capability, and design, all while maintaining the core values that made the Crosstrek popular, the 2026 model delivers exceptional long-term value. When you consider the improved fuel economy, more advanced technology, and enhanced capability, waiting for the 2026 model isn't just smart, it's the obvious choice. Why settle for what's available today when something substantially better is just around the corner? But the competition is getting better as well, and might offer even more, especially if you don't prioritize off-road performance and ruggedness. Check out this video about the new 2026 Mazda CX-30, which you can now see on the screen. Mazda's subcompact crossover is coming completely redesigned, with even better driving dynamics and a more premium interior than the outgoing generation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.